Hello, my name is Nicole Guzmán and I will be explaining one of my favorite dishes, and it is oatmeal. To make oatmeal, there are several essential ingredients. These are whole oatmeal, water, sugar, evaporated milk, and salt. The first step to make oatmeal is to take a cup of temperature water and put it in a bowl. Then take 3/4 of a cup of whole oatmeal and 3 spoonfuls of sugar and mix it in the water at room temperature. Be careful not to mix the oatmeal and the sugar when the water is boiling, only when the water is at room temperature. Then take the bowl and heat up the water on the stove until it almost boils. Then pour half a cup of evaporated milk and mix until thickened. Add a little bit of salt at your taste until it tastes like you desire it to. Finally, after the oatmeal thickens, remove the bowl from the stove and let it cool for at least 10 minutes. And that is how you make a very good oatmeal.